This tactile is for the story The Pied Piper. So in the first frame, we see a house. So there are windows. You can open the windows. You can open the door. And we'll find rats inside. So I represent rats or in general animals in oval shape. And in this case, I have used felt cloth. Felt cloth has a hairy texture, so it's not appropriate for rats. And humans are represented in circles. So here we see two villagers. So then lots of rats, and they're troubling the villagers, and the villagers are not able to get rid of the rats. So what they do is they put up a board announcing reward for the people, or if someone is able to catch the rats. So that's what simple in Braille. Catch rats, get reward. And the irony is that the rats have not even left that particular board. They've already made a hole in it. So here also, in this frame also, we see lots of rats. In the third frame, we see that there's one person here and a couple of people here. And this is a bagpiper. I used a bagpiper because my son wanted a bagpiper. Because lately he has been liking the sound of bagpipers. I have made it with jeans cloth and some straws. So what the Pied Piper tells the villagers is that he can get rid of the rats, and in return they have to give him the reward that has been promised. The villagers agree. So in this frame also, I have put lots of rats because they have not yet got rid of the rats. And this I have used Velcro. Can be removed and used wherever the Pied Piper is resident. In the next page, we see that this is the Pied Piper, and these are all the rats. So he plays the bagpiper, and all the rats follow him. He takes them to a cliff, and then the rats fall into the sea. And in the next frame, we have the Pied Piper and the villagers, but there are no rats here because all the rats, the Pied Piper managed to get rid of. And the villagers are very happy, but instead of giving him the reward that they had promised, they give him just a very small part of the reward because they feel that he hardly did any job. All he did was play the bagpiper. So what they do is, they say that for the work you did, this is all you deserve. Now the Pied Piper is upset because of that. So he feels cheated. So what he does next is, he again starts playing the bagpiper. The villagers get confused on why again he's playing the bagpiper. There are no more rats, right? But what they notice is that all the little kids, all the children in the village start following him this time. So he takes them near the cliff, not on the top, but near the cliff at the base. And then magically a door opens. The kids keep following him, and he takes the kids into his world. That's when the villagers realize that they shouldn't have cheated the Pied Piper. Thank you.